How to move a conversation from archive to inbox on Signal for iPhone. If you have conversations that you do not use much on Signal, you can archive them. To archive a conversation, swipe from right to left on the conversation. Tap on Archive. When you archive a conversation, you will get on the bottom a notice as I have here, Archive Chats. Tap on that to see the archive conversation. To unarchive a conversation, swipe from the right to left on the conversation you want to move back to the inbox. That conversation will be selected and some buttons will appear. You have the Unarchive button and the Delete button. To move back a conversation from Archive on Signal for iPhone, tap on the button Unarchive. You have now moved the conversation from Archive to Inbox on Signal for iPhone. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.